Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change coolant in a Hyundai Accent. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid severe burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Don't forget to put on your safety glasses and gloves for protection. Park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and have all your tools and fresh coolant ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position a large drain pan directly beneath your radiator's drain plug. Carefully open the drain plug, usually located at the bottom of the radiator, to begin releasing the old fluid. Removing the radiator cap will help the coolant drain much faster. Let it drain completely, which might take about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, degraded coolant is out of the system. After draining, it's time to flush the system. Close the drain plug tightly. Fill the radiator with distilled water, then start your engine. Let it run for about 10 minutes with the heater set to its highest setting. This helps circulate the water. Now, drain the water again. Repeat this flushing process until the water coming out is completely clear, indicating a clean system. This step is crucial for optimal performance. Finally, let's refill with fresh coolant. Ensure the drain plug is secure. Pour in the new coolant, typically a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and distilled water, specific to your Hyundai Accent. Run the engine with the radiator cap off until it reaches operating temperature, allowing air bubbles to escape. Top off the coolant as needed. After a few drive cycles, recheck the level and add more if necessary for proper engine cooling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.